So during our projects, we often need to create some random keys or passwords, and we often wonder how. Do we need to use any external libraries or packages? No, we don't. So how to generate the random keys from our command terminal? So today I'm going to show it. So we can use OpenSSL to generate random keys or passwords. And next thing is we need to convert the binary to textual format. So we need to use base64 encoding, and the last keyword we need to use is the length of the keys or passwords that we want, whether 4 byte or 16 bytes or 32 bytes. Right, if I write 4, the generic keys will be of smaller length. So if I use base 64 encoding and 32 bytes, the keys will have greater length. So if you don't need any mathematical like operators, plus, minus, equals sign, like we have seen earlier, if we don't want this kind of operators at the end of our passwords, we can simply write hex encoding, and the last keyword is the size of keywords, the number of bytes we want. That's it, and thank you.